5-minute Keto Cauliflower Fried Rice, Low-Carb Bliss in a bowl. Craving that satisfying, smoky stir-fry, but holding the carbs? Look no further than this 5-minute Keto Cauliflower Fried Rice. This quick and easy recipe transforms humble cauliflower into a delicious, low-carb base for a vibrant stir-fry feast. Perfect for lunch, dinner, or even a satisfying side dish, it's packed with flavor and ready in under 5 minutes. Ingredients: serves too generously. 1 head cauliflower, about 12 ounces, 1 tablespoon avocado oil or ghee. Half red bell pepper, thinly sliced. Half green bell pepper, thinly sliced. Half yellow onion, thinly sliced. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 2 scallions, thinly sliced, green and white parts separated. 2 large eggs, whisked. 2 tablespoons coconut aminos or low-carb soy sauce. 1 tablespoon toasted sesame oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Optional toppings: chopped cilantro, sesame seeds, sriracha. Instructions: 1. Prep your cauliflower. Grate the cauliflower using a box grater or pulse it in a food processor until it resembles rice grains. This is your cauliflower rice. 2. Heat your pan. Heat avocado oil or ghee in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. 3. Sauté the veggies. Add bell peppers, onion, and garlic to the pan. Sauté for 2 to 3 minutes, until softened but still slightly crisp. 4. Enter the cauliflower rice. Add the cauliflower rice to the pan and stir-fry for another 2 to 3 minutes, until it starts to brown slightly. 5. Scramble it up. Push the cauliflower rice to one side of the pan. Add the whisked eggs and scramble them until cooked through. 6. Season to perfection. Stir in coconut aminos, sesame oil, salt, and pepper. Adjust seasonings to your taste. 7. Top it off. Garnish with chopped scallions, cilantro, sesame seeds, and sriracha for an extra kick. Tips: for a richer flavor, cook the cauliflower rice in batches until slightly browned before adding it back to the pan. Don't overcook the cauliflower rice. Aim for a slightly al dente texture. Feel free to customize your veggies. Add chopped broccoli, mushrooms, or snap peas for even more variety. Leftovers? Store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Reheat in a skillet or microwave until warm through. Keto-licious and lightning fast, this 5-minute Keto Cauliflower Fried Rice is sure to become a new staple in your low-carb kitchen. So ditch the takeout and whip up this flavorful, healthy dish in under 5 minutes. Your taste buds, and your waistline, will thank you.